What's going on there, YouTube? This is Quinn, that Snazzy iPhone guy, and this is breaking news. Engadget.com reports that Mark Watson, aka SoldierKnowsBest, is allegedly releasing a new video later this afternoon. Watson posted from his own Twitter account earlier this morning, quote, "These things are sick, unboxing, uploading," followed by a link. Now, the link actually led to Watson's own Daily Booth account where a picture of the Turtle Beach PX5 gaming headset resides. Will this be the video we see today? The most unusual thing is Watson usually only releases a video every 36 hours, and this is a mere 22 hours after his prior video. Is this too soon? What are your thoughts? Can we expect to see a video review today? As you can see, there are tons and tons of comments and tweets, over 1.4 billion, that report that Watson may actually be releasing a video today. So let us know what you think. Will there be a video today? Thanks so much for watching, and as always, stay snazzy. This was a bit of a joke, guys. I was talking to Soldier Knows Best and John for Lakers a little bit earlier on Twitter today, and we were talking about rumors and people that do rumor videos and how they can be and can not be at sometimes beneficial to others. I personally don't really think that people should do rumor videos. I mean, I don't think it's a way to scam views, but I think, at least in my opinion, I've never seen the reason to do a video. I mean, just go to Engadget.com and read the headlines. I mean, they're all there. But Mark was making a joke, and he said, you know, here's a rumor for you, report that I'll have a video up later this afternoon. So I decided to go after that, and that was a little bit of fun that I had. So thumbs up and rate and comment and subscribe to this video, or not, I don't really care. I'm posting a video review of the... What am I posting a video review on? Oh, on the FIO E5 portable headphone amplifier later this afternoon, so be sure to check that out. And actually, Soldier Knows Best already posted his video on the PX5 gaming headset. It just went up about 30 minutes ago, and it's a pretty sweet video, so I guarantee you check it out. Wow, I would recommend that you check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, rate, comment, and as always, stay snazzy. See you later, folks.